What is going on, guys? Britta here, and we're still working on this balance sheet. We're on exercise 22. So it says within the second TR, add a TH element with text within the second TR. That's the first one. Second one, add a TH element with the text, expenses. Wrap that text except for expenses within a span element. So is that supposed to go after the second one? Let's see, let's check this. So it already has a TH element. Unless it's supposed to go here. Within the second TR, so TR, maybe it means the second one here, so TR, within the second TR, so let's do TH, TH, expenses, annual, anticipated expenses, such as payroll. Wrap that text except for expenses within a span element. So span slash span. Add 3 TD elements below that and give them the following text. TR, 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 close TR. Okay, so I think that's right. Span class equals description. Okay, so that's the TH, and then after add 3 TD elements. TD, give them the following text. So 200, 300, and 400. Alright, give the third TD element a class that's a current. Class equals current. Let's check that. Your second TR element should have a TH element. So I'm in the wrong spot. My second TR element. Loans, expenses. Let's reset the whole thing here. I'm thinking it's saying from here. Loans within the second TR. So TR, that's one TR. Second TR right here, which is that not where I put it? Let's copy this, paste that there, and then change this expenses class description and change this here, expenses annual anticipated expenses such as payroll. Right? Your code does not pass. You should have, okay, so is that not where I put it before? I thought that's where I put it, but maybe I did not. So that's within TR, second TR down. Right? That's it. And we have the TH, and then it's saying after that we need to do the TD. So TD 200 TD 300 400. And then this one needs a class of current. Okay, let's see if that did it. Congratulations. Okay, I thought that I put that in the same spot, but maybe not. Maybe not. Alright. Submit and go to next challenge. Alright. Within the third TR, alright, so 1, 2, 3, right? Add a TH element with the text credit. Wrapped everything except for credit, so we're going to do span, class, description again. Alright, and then we're going to do credit the outstanding balance on our credit card. And that needs to be wrapped and then TH. Alright, and then we got it underneath of that, add 3 TDs again. One's going to be 50. One's going to be 50. And then the last one's going to be 75. Alright, the third one needs to have the class current. So class equals current. Alright. Code does not pass. So what do we do wrong here? Your TH element should have the text. I must have did something wrong here. Credit the outstanding balance on our credit card. Period. Your TH element, credit. Oh, I see what I did. This, I don't need to have it on there twice. Nope. Within the third, add an element with credit the outstanding balance on our credit card. Wrap that text, except for credit, within a span element, span class description, and then I close the span. So why is that not working? Span. Let's try that. Maybe it needs a space. No. The outstanding. Make sure I didn't spell anything right. Wrong. Credit. The outstanding balance on our credit card. Period. Maybe it was all those spaces that did it. Let's see. Your TH should have the text credit the outstanding balance. It does say that, credit. Oh, I think maybe that. Yeah, literally a space can mess up that whole thing. Alright, let's go to the next one here. Alright, in your fourth TR element, so outstanding balance, the next one will be here. Nope. The next one will be here. Alright. Add a TH element with the text total liabilities. And we gotta wrap liabilities in the span. Total span class equals equals current liabilities. Following that, oh wait, wrap the text liabilities in a span element with the class attribute set to SR only, not current. SR only. Okay. And then below that we need to do TD 750, TD 600, and TD 475. Give the third class set to current. So third TD class equals current. Alright, first try that time. Sometimes you just gotta slow it down a bit. Alright, for your third table, add a caption with the text net worth and set up a table header and table body. For your third table, add the caption net worth and set up a table header and table body. So table header, it's T head and T body. So T head and T body. Alright, let's see. Perfect. Now, within your T head, create a TR element. Alright, in that element, add a TD, and 3 TH elements. Alright, within each of the TH elements, add a span element. TH elements, add a span element with the class set to SR only. So equals class equals SR only. Okay. Something ain't right here. Oh, I forgot the. There we go. Now that's for all of them, so let's just copy span class equals SR only. Okay, so let's just copy that, paste that there, and the following text in order. So 2019, 2020, and 2021. All right. Within the T body, where is T body? Within the T body, add a TR, with the class set to total. In that, add a TH with the text total net worth. Wrap net worth in a span. So with the class SR only. Alright, so that's that, and then we gotta close that span class. Alright. Then add 3 TD elements, giving the third a class set to current. So TD slash TD three of them, class equals current, and giving them each the text. This one is -171. This one is 136. And this one is $3.34. Whoops, I forgot the $sign. Okay. Awesome. Time to style your table. Start by resetting the box model. Create an HTML selector and give it a box sizing property set to border box. So create an HTML selector and give it the HTML box sizing border box. Shiver me timbers. All right, on to the next one. All right, create a body selector, so body, and give it a font family property set to sans serif and a color set to number sign 0A0A23. Your body selector should have a font family set to sans serif. Oh, I forgot the semicolon there. Alright. Before you get too far into your styling, you should make use of the SR only class. You can use CSS to make elements with this class completely hidden from the visual page, but still be announced by screen readers. The CSS you're about to write is a common set of properties used to ensure elements are completely hidden visually. The span class SR only selector will select any span element whose class includes SR only. Create that selector and give it a border property set to 0. So span class SR only, and then we give it a border set to 0. Awesome. The CSS clip property is used to define the visible portions of an element. Set the span class SR only selector to have a clip property. So clip property of rect 1 pix, 1 pix, 1 pix, 1 pix. Okay. The clip path property determines the shape of the clip property. Should take. Set the clip path to the value of inset 50%, forming the clip path into a rectangle within the element. Alright. Now you need to size these elements down. Give your span class SR only selector a width and a height property set to 1 pix. Okay. To prevent the text content from overflowing, give your span class SR only selector an overflow property set to hidden and a white space property set to no wrap. Finally, you need to take these hidden elements out of the document flow. Give the span class SR only a selector of position set to absolute, padding set to 0, and a margin set to -1 pixel. This will ensure that not only are they no longer visible, but they are not even within the page view. Got it. Alright, time to style your table heading. Create an H1 selector. Give it a max width property set to 37.25 rem. A margin set to 0 auto. Padding set to 1.5 rem. 1.25 rem. Alright. Target your flex container with an H1 dot flex selector. Give it a display. Here we go from our Flexbox days. Display property set to flex to enable Flexbox layout. Then set flex direction to column reverse. This will display the nested elements from bottom to top. Finally, set the gap property to 1 rem to create some space between the elements. The first type of pseudo selector is used to target the first element that matches the selector. Create an h1.flex span first of type selector to target the first span element in your flex container. Remember that your span elements are reversed visually, so this will appear to be the second element on the page. Give your new selector a font size of 0.7, oops, I did 7 EM, not REM, to make it look like a subheading. The last of type pseudo selector does the exact opposite. It targets the last element that matches the selector. Create an h1.flex span last of type selector to target the last span in your flex container and give it a font size property set to 1.2 EM to make it look like a header. All right. You wrapped your table in a section element. Now you can style that to give your table a border. Create a section selector and give it a max width set to 40 rem for responsive design. Set the margin property to 0 auto, not -0 auto, just 0 auto to center it, and set the border property to 2 pix solid and then D0, D0, D5. All right. You got this little border there. The last part of your table heading is your years. Create a #years selector and enable Flexbox. Display flex. Justify the content to the end of the flex direction and make the element sticky. Fix it to the top of its container with top 0. I don't think I did that right. I gotta do justify content flex end. I don't think that's right. It's been a minute. No, your year selector should have a position. Oh, a position set to sticky. I don't know that I did sticky. Your year selector should have a okay, I was almost right. Justify content flex end. Okay. There we go. Bodacious. Alright. Now apply some color to your years. Make the text number FFF in the background number 0A0A23. This isn't right. It should be color. There we go. The calc function is a CSS function that allows you to calculate a value based on other values. For example, you can use it to calculate the width of the viewport minus the margin of an element. Give number of years a margin of 0, -2 pix and a padding set to 0.5 rem. Oh wait, rem calc 1.25 REM plus 2 picks. That seems wrong. 0.5 REM 0. Maybe that's right. Seems like a lot. Oh, says it's right. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here. We did exercises 22 through 42, and on the next one we're going to go ahead and finish this balance sheet. But I thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.